going to talk to you today about close and open periods. We do recommend that you close your periods routinely. You can close them on a monthly basis, or you could wait till the end of the year to close your year, and then you would close all of your months at the same time. It's really up to you, but we do highly recommend this feature. And I'm going to walk you through that today so we can do that together. You'll go to Program, Accounting, Close and Open Periods. And when you get to this point, the one thing you want to make sure of is that you have everything is done, that you've done your bank rec, you've done all of your adjusting entries. So everything that you need to be in that period or that year is complete before you close it. So we have confirmed everything is done, and we're going to close December, right? We're in January, we're finished with December, but we also are finished with the year, so we'll do the yearly closing. So you're going to go here. You see where we have January 1, 25. That's our current open year, and you can see that based on the status. So I'm going to click on this, and now over on the right, I see that I've got these periods. And when you see the action that says open this period, that means it's closed because the action is to open it. Well, you can see I need to close December, but I notice that I forgot to close November. So I need to close them both because you can't pick and choose and close them out of order. So I'm going to click on December because CDM has a cool feature. It says closing this period will close all prior periods. So we don't have to go in and close them one by one. We're just going to say yes. We're going to print that to the screen and we'll say okay. Continue, yes. All right, and we'll see this change here. Now you see these both say open this period. All right, we're going to go ahead and close this report down because we don't need that. And now we're ready to close our year. So on the left, again, we'll go to January 25 that says open. And now my option is close this year. So I'm going to click on that. And it says, are you sure you want to close this year? Yes. And it's asking me if I would like to basically zero out or reset my balances for income and expense. The answer is yes. Don't let this confuse you. It's not actually zeroing out your data. It's really just taking it out of that yearly total so that when you're looking at reports and things, the current year would now be 26. So we're going to say yes there. Again, we'll go to screen and then continue closing is yes. And it'll take just a moment and then you'll see this says open, so it's closed. Now, the one thing that happens in the background, which is why we really recommend at the very least you close your years, is because when it's closing, it's actually doing a recalculation. It's making sure that all of your balances are correct. And we really like that. That's a good thing to do to ensure that our balance sheet is balanced and everything looks good. So this is all done. And now we're done. We could close the window. But let me give you a quick note. Should you find that something needed to be added because you forgot something, let's say you forgot to put in an adjusting entry for December and you needed to open the year. You can open it by simply clicking open. You could click open and then you could click open in December and make your adjusting entry. However, I want to offer a caution that opening prior years is definitely not recommended as a rule of thumb, because should any changes have been made to your beginning balances, while that isn't something that you do often, and we try to definitely keep that to a minimum, sometimes it is necessary. And if a change has been made and you reopen and close that period again, it will lose that change and it can cause your balance sheet to be off. So if you find yourself in a position where you feel like you need to reopen prior periods, specifically years, please reach out to support. Let's talk about it. Let's make sure that's the best option for you. All right, support is here for you. Anything that you need, please reach out to us. We're always happy to help you. Have a great day.